Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing a non-food challenge. So before I get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so you can be notified each and every time we upload a video. All right, let me go ahead and cue this music. Welcome back to another challenge with the Foodie Squad. I'm Nikki, and again today I don't have Aaron with me, but that's okay. I'm going to be doing a non-food challenge, but that does not mean I'm not going to be eating, because in true foodie fashion, I got me a little snack right here. Today, I am going to be doing the either or and why challenge that was created by G Free. And a link to her channel will be listed in the description below. I was challenged by not only G Free, but I was also challenged by More Eats. So I got a double challenge. You know I had to do it. But the challenge is called the either or a why challenge. So it's going to be two things. And I got to pick either or. And then whichever one I pick, I have to explain why I picked it. So while I'm going through these questions and answering them, I'm also going to be eating some Twix ice cream. Yes, I ordered this through GoPuff. You want you a little discount with GoPuff? A link to that will be in the description. And you get your little discount. They are fast and they are efficient. You hear me? They be coming quick. Y'all better get with it. GoPuff. Hold on. Let me pray over this real quick. Dear Lord, thank you for this ice cream, this good old ice cream that I'm about to receive. Make it nourishing to my body and make it taste delicious. In Jesus' name, your sweet son's name, I pray. Amen. Yes. Now look. Let me taste a bit of this ice cream first. Whew. This ice cream is delicious. And I let it sit out a little bit so it can soften up some. Twix. Y'all check GoPuff out. Okay, so it's 20 either or topics. Let's get into the first one. Coffee or tea? My answer is coffee. I drink coffee almost every day, and I always, instead of using creamer or sugar, I pour my Premier protein shake, which is caramel flavored, in there, and it is absolutely delicious. But I'm always drinking coffee. Now, I drink tea every now and then, but for the most part, I'm a coffee girl. Cat or dog? Dog. I can answer that right now. I'm allergic to cats. So it's going to always be a dog for me. I love dogs. Pool or beach? Beach. Now, I ain't saying I'm going to jump in the water, but I do like to lay out on the beach. Now, given everything that's going on, you can't do that right now. But, I do like I like the beach. I like the beach. I like to sit out in the sun, get a little chocolatey, a little tan, Sweet wine or dry wine? I'm not a huge sweet wine person. Now, as far as dry wine, I don't like no extra dry wine either. Like a Chianti, it tastes like wood. I don't like that either. I do like a really, really dry champagne. Now, that's good. That's a hard one because I don't really like them like real dry. I guess if you call like a Merlot, I guess, I'll do that. Red or blue? Red. Red is my favorite color. Televisions or movies? Ooh, that is a tough one because I do like certain television series or reality shows. Like Chicago PD is one of my favorites, And I love reality shows just for my own personal entertainment. That's a toughie. I think I'm gonna have to go with television. But I like suspense though. I like action-packed movies too. Oh, this is hard. I didn't think it was going to be this hard. Physical book or audio book? Ah, what? I like both of them. I like to listen to the audiobook as I'm reading the book. Has anybody ever done that? Because the audiobook, they be, acting out the characters, especially the Harry Potter books. If y'all got them Harry Potter books, listen to the audio while reading the book. It's like you in the movie. That's a tough one. I'm going to stick with physical book, though. I'm going to stick with physical book because I like to read. Summer or winter? Neither. I guess I'd have to go with winter only because it's easier to warm up than it is to cool off. Like if you hot, you just hot. But if it's cold, you can just keep layering on clothes until you warm up. Spring or fall? Fall, I love fall weather. Fall is my absolute favorite time of the year. It's like nice, crisp. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. And the fall colors are absolutely gorgeous. Like I love those deep reds, those burnt oranges, those golden yellows, especially when the leaves change. It is so pretty. I love fall weather. I love everything about fall. Cake or pie? I'm going to have to go with cake, especially if it's a homemade cake. Cake for me. I like pie too, but cake. Apples or oranges? Apples. I love apples. I love green apples. I like oranges, like those little cuties or whatever, but I mainly like apples the best. I always eat apples. Jazz or R&B? Oh, that's a toughie. I'm going to go with R&B, but I like jazz. Concert or recorded music? Concert. Now that's easy. Concert. It ain't nothing like hearing your favorite artist live in concert, singing and jamming. Live. Concert. Water or juice? Water. I drink a lot of water anyway, but definitely water. Sandals or boots? I don't know, because I like the fall weather. Put it on a cute little pair of boots. But even in the house, around the year, sandals. Oh, y'all hear my stomach. That ain't cute. Well, y'all help me. What should I do? Sandals or boots? I like them both. Oh, y'all heard that? I'm eating the ice cream as fast as I can. My stomach just growling like I ain't eating nothing. I'm going to go with sandals. So I give me a little pedicure. Ooh, girl. Hat or no hat? Hats. If y'all look at some of my videos, like last winter and fall, I wore a hat in every video. I got a gazillion hats. I love hats. Braids or bun? Braids. Now, I ain't had no braids in a while, but I like braids. Especially if I go on vacation somewhere. Like if I go to a Caribbean island or somewhere hot, I don't want to feel like dealing with my hair. Especially if I know I'm going to the beach or whatever, or even if I do decide to sit poolside, I'd rather have braids. Black and white or color. Whatever that means, I'd rather be in color than in black and white. Texting or talking? Talking. I'm old school. I'm not fitting to sit here and text a whole daggone conversation. Number one, my hands, fingers and stuff start hurting anyway. But just call me. Because a lot of times with texting, things get misconstrued. You can't detect tone or inflection in a text. And you might assume somebody getting an attitude with you when they really not. So it's going to always be talking. Like, call me. Tell me what you got to say. The last one, fireplace or campfire? That's a tough one. I'm going to go with fireplace. But if I'm sitting outside with my friends, we having us a little drink, running a little campfire, I'm good with that too. I told y'all, these things they not easy at all because it make you think. But I'm going to still stick with fire. No, you know what? I take that back. I'm going to go with campfire. The reason why is because fireplace, next thing you know, I'm sitting in the house, I'm hot, I done started sweating, and then we got to cut the fireplace off. Cut the fire down. So no, I'm gonna go with a campfire because at least I'm out there. It's a little crisp coolness in the air, and then I got a blanket over me and the fire, and campfire. I'm gonna go with campfire. G free, sis. This was not easy. It was not easy, but I enjoyed it. And I hope that everybody learned a little something new about me. So, I think that I am going to challenge Beauty and Beast Journey, Angel's Army, Tony Hendrix Green, The Chit Chat Queen, V Mac Show, The Miss Yo-Yo Show, The Positive Pusher, and NQ's World. This ice cream is delicious. Y'all got to try. If y'all like Twix, y'all would like this ice cream right here. I'm going to tell you. Well, look, y'all. If y'all hung in here this long with me, I love you and I appreciate you, but just stick around just for a little bit longer and get into these shout outs. VIP Foodie Squad, Lady C Queen Foodie, The Miss Yo-Yo Show, As Told by Tina, Pink Motivation, The Triplet Family, Vegas Girl, Musisi Kazito, Nikki Antoinette, Bree Bree, VA Mukbang Queens, Gold Foodie Squad, Tony Hendrix Green, The Positive Pusher, Jazzy Nicole, My Virtual World, This Is Our Life, Deja TV, Adillionaire Nene, Platinum Foodie Squad, April WYD, The Billionaire Mindset, Ice Heart, Yes, It's Simone, Angel's Army, Beauty and Beast Journey, The Chit Chat Queen, Holla at Yemi, Just Vlogging Life, Grandma Faye, The Vegan Kitty, The Masked Vegan, Terrence T. Easy. Well, that concludes our Foodie Squad member shout out. A link to their channels will be in the description below. Click on that link, subscribe to their channels, watch and like that short video, and leave a comment. Also, don't forget in the comments to put Foodie Sent Me. That's right, if you put Foodie Sent Me in the comment, they will return the love because guess what? That's what Foodie Squad does. And if you want to be a member of Foodie Squad, go ahead and hit our join button. All of our perk levels will pop up. All you have to do is pick which perk level you want to come in at, and I promise to help you grow and glow in these YouTube streets. Look, guys, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Like this video, share this video. Let anyone and everyone know what the Foodie Squad does when we do challenges. Today, I did the either, or, and why challenge that was created by G Free. Yes, and look, I know I called out some other people to do it earlier, but anybody, if you have not done this challenge, do it. It's an easy, fun way for people to learn just a little bit more about you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done it, and also hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that we upload a video. Thank you so much for tuning in and hanging out and learning a little bit more about me. I love you and I cannot wait to see you at the next video. Bye.